Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable 2FA requirements on your account on Discord on security settings. Easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now here you will find security. Click on it, and here as you see you will find enable 2FA requirements. Click on it, and that's how to enable it. That's how to enable 2FA requirements, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.